Look at that beautiful brown. God, love this place. Love fishing for browns. Adios, buddy. Thank you. All right, had a fantastic day in the canyon fishing yesterday. Came out to Antero just to come out here and camp for the night. I knew there'd be an open spot, so, you know, just didn't want to search around for one after dark. So, got out here, 37 degrees when I got here last night. Dropped down to about 31 during the middle of the night for a few hours. That's all right. I had a couple sleeping bags and a blanket. I'm pretty prepared. Got a heater up there in case I really got to take the edge off. No big deal. Over here making some breakfast right now. Doing some biscuits and gravy. Got the French press loaded up already. Just gotta pour it in when it's done. It's starting to get a little steamy. I left my ice fishing gear at home. I decided that I just want to do some open water and some river fishing this weekend. That, and the conditions are a little sketchy in different places. I've heard of people stepping through the ice in this lake already. And, you know, sometimes I'll get myself in a precarious situation. So I just left temptation at home. Played it safe, you know what I mean? I'll go out there on the rocks out there in a minute. You can see all the soft spots, you know, like it's not a good idea to go out there. There's nobody here. Still looks awesome out here. There's one guy giving it a go. Thought about just doing that, but left my stuff at home. I can see it's open over there by the island a little bit. A little channel that goes across where people walk. All right, on to the next spot. Well, it's spring. Look at all the calves already. These guys are probably born just within the last few days. What's up, fellas? Ladies? See ya. I just caught my first fish on my first cast in like the first second. Like it's the second my lure hit the water, I was on. It was awesome. It's a good sign it's going to be a good day. So I made plans with somebody to meet up and go fishing for a while over at 11 Mile in open water. So I skipped the river today since I made some plans, and then we saw some awesome looking fish over there, but they just weren't feeding. They're more like just kind of cruising, you know. So I decided I'm gonna go home, but before I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and try one more place just to get the skunk off. Sure enough, first cast is done. Yeah. All right. All right. Shoo. Yeah. Yes. Threw this thing right underneath that rock over there, right underneath the ledge. Bam. Yeah. Another beautiful brown. Woohoo! Oh my gosh, guys, look at this. I found a dead beaver. That's a first. I saw the white and I was like, is that a fish? And I pulled up the back end of it a little bit with my net, and there it is. That's the tail. Wow. Never found a dead beaver before. That sucks. Holy crap. Look at the size of the teeth on this thing. I've never seen a beaver skull before. Wow. Interesting. Wow. On another one. Here we go. All right. Thanks, buddy. Sweet. Oh yeah. All right. Dang. Whew, that one's pissed. Oh, there it goes. Bye-bye. Thank you. Oh, I thought I was recording. Just missed a good fight. Nice little brown. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Man. Nice. Love the evening bite. Love it all. Yeah. Oh, it came off. There's another one. Look at that guy. Nice. Oh, ow. I thought it was the current fighting me and it was a fish. I could have just set it. Darn it. It's hard to tell right there. Gonna have to settle for the ones that make contact and go. This is the very last stretch that I'm fishing. Look at that beautiful brown. God, love this place. Love fishing from browns. Adios, buddy. Thank you. Well, that was a fun weekend.